So today what we're going to do is use some foam and acrylic paint, and we're going to stamp our own cloths. Let's go over our supplies. So you're going to need some sort of natural fabric. I have 100% cotton flour sack dishcloth. You're going to need a foam sheet, and it's nice if yours has the sticky back where you peel and stick it down, but if it doesn't, it's not a big deal. You can just glue it down. You're going to need some acrylic paint, and this is craft grade acrylic paint. A piece of cardboard. You can use a piece of a cardboard box, or you could even use a piece of a cereal box, something stiff to glue your foam down on. You'll need a foam brush to use your paint, to apply your paint, a paper plate, and just a cup of water to rinse your brush. So the very first thing we're going to do is design our stamp to stamp our fabric. So you want to take your foam, if it has the sticky back, and you can draw a simple design, or you can just freehand it and cut it out. And you want to cut out a design and then peel off the sticky part and stick it down onto your cardboard. I've already done mine. I just cut out some simple shapes and I stuck it down onto my cardboard. Now I am going to apply paint and stamp it onto my fabric. So you're going to take your foam brush and you're going to apply your craft paint to the foam. And you want to try to keep it just on the foam, not on the cardboard, but if it gets on the cardboard, it's not a big deal. You want to spread out your furoshiki cloth. And use your stamp to stamp a pattern. And then I'm just going to do it again and create a pattern on my fabric. Then you want to repeat the pattern however you'd like and cover your fabric. After the paint dries, you want to heat set the paint with an iron on the highest setting, usually cotton because this is a cotton fabric, and that makes sure that when you wash it, the paint doesn't wash out of the fabric.